Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the Kisnt Wireless Mechanical Keyboard, a sleek and versatile peripheral designed to elevate your typing and gaming experience. Whether you're a writer, a gamer, or someone who just appreciates a well-crafted keyboard, this 75% compact layout model promises a blend of style, functionality, and customization. Let's explore what makes it special. First, let's talk about its standout features. The Kisnt keyboard boasts a gasket-mounted design, which means it offers a softer, more cushioned typing feel compared to traditional rigid mounts. This, combined with its linear switches, delivers a creamy, smooth sound profile that's satisfying without being overly loud. The hot swappable switches are a game changer, allowing you to customize your typing experience without soldering, perfect for enthusiasts who love to tweak their setup. Connectivity is another highlight, with Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C options, making it compatible with Win, Mac, and PC systems. The RGB backlit keys add a vibrant touch, and the retro beige color gives it a classy, vintage vibe. In real-life use, this keyboard shines. The typing experience is buttery smooth thanks to the linear switches, and the gasket mount reduces fatigue during long sessions. Gamers will appreciate the low latency and 2.4 GHz mode, while the compact 75% layout saves desk space without sacrificing functionality. The build quality feels solid, and the keycaps have a pleasant texture. However, there are a few drawbacks. The RGB lighting isn't the brightest, which might disappoint some users, and the battery life could be better for those who rely heavily on wireless mode. Compared to similar products like the Keychron K75 or the Royal Kludge RK84, the Kisnt holds its own. It offers a more premium sound and feel than the RK84, though the Keychron might edge it out in terms of Mac compatibility. Where the Kisnt truly stands out is its gasket mount, which is rare in this price range, giving it a unique edge for those seeking a softer typing experience. To get the most out of this keyboard, consider experimenting with different switches to find your perfect fit. If you're using it wirelessly, keep the USB-C cable handy for quick charging. And don't forget to explore the RGB settings to personalize your setup. Overall, the Kisnt Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is a fantastic choice for anyone who values customization, comfort, and style. It's ideal for typists, gamers, and tinkerers who want a high-quality board without breaking the bank. While it has minor flaws, its pros far outweigh the cons. Thanks for tuning in, and happy typing.